Alright, so to the breakfast right here, quick one, let's quickly do analysis on gold. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Let me show you guys my overall analysis. So let me turn off the precision trader. Now you can see gold is like overall bullish. You can see we are breaking structures to the upside, so gold has been overall bullish. But there's a problem right here in this area. Gold is like trying to like change character right here, because you can see this is around here, this is left shoulder, and around here this is head, and probably where market gets here, it can like start selling from that point. That is like my view. But in another way, let me show you something. So let me delete these stuffs. So right now, in another way, if we turn on our line chart, let me turn on the line chart, and then I mark this. Normally without the indicator, this is where I will buy from. This is a sniper zone. This is where I'll buy from, and this is the kind of zones I do flip accounts to crazy amount of money. So for me, this is where I will buy from, the sniper zone. So let me turn it into, so you can see that actually price came to the zone. You can see crazy. And normally whenever I take a trade from this kind of sniper zones, take profit is usually at the most recent high. So now if I turn on my line chart, let me turn on the line chart to look for the most recent high. Now this should be the most recent high, or even this one, but overall this is the most recent high right there. So now you can see market is now heading to the take profit, overall take profit. So my view right now on gold is currently still on like all-time high. No decision right now. The only decision is heading to take profit, and it can even start selling any moment for a massive pullback. Because if you check, this is a range. Yeah, this is a range. You understand? This is a range, and the only liquidity that has been swept here is the one to the upside. You can see after the range, price broke up. So now I'm still expecting price to come back to sweep this range. So I'm still expecting a sale. I don't know when that would happen, but in the new week, price can just open and then keep shooting up. But if price can shoot up to create a new all-time high, like massively, then we'll still keep looking on for buys. We'll keep looking out for buys. So for now, we are just waiting for gold to hit take profit right there. But if you see gold start selling from here, just know that that's the sell. Once gold starts selling from any point, like if I turn on the line chart, let me show you guys where I will look for sales without the indicator, where I will look for sales from here. That's where I will look for sales. That's a sniper zone. If price gets there, if price gets there, I will look for a confirmation, and then if I get a confirmation, I'm going to sell. You understand? I'm going to sell to like half of this buy. sell from there to this point, because normally this should be a liquidity, but market has respected it to buy the sniper. So expecting price to come down here and sweep this low as well. But let's see how it goes. Let's see if price can break here, it's going to keep buying. But if price fails to break here or comes to like take this liquidity and start selling, then we expect sales from there. Now let's go to BTC. So now this is BTC. Normally I don't know anything about BTC. I don't know how to analyze Bitcoin, so I just want to give my view, what I'm expecting. So it's really clear right now that BTC wants to sell. Let me check the 4-hour time frame. Where is this sell coming from? Because this sell is like a 4-hour time frame sell, so that means it's going to go like massive, because this is like equal highs, that this is like a liquidity. So you can see BTC swept liquidity and is now selling. So I think BTC is gonna sell. And then you can see we have internal range. This is internal range liquidity, right here. So you watch BTC clearly, you watch it very well. If BTC can like break, look at this break, if it can break and come down and then maybe go back for a retest, look at something. Let me show you what you should expect. Something like this. This is the 4-hour time frame. Allow BTC to come like at least this point and then come back like this, and then you start selling. That's what you should wait on BTC. Or you allow it to like break this high, because if we turn on our line chart, this is the low that once BTC breaks this low, you start expecting sales. This low right here, if BTC can break this low, you start expecting massive sales. So you can see for now there's no break, so you keep waiting for a proper sell confirmation. So that's it on BTC. You can see from this area like this, Bitcoin has not been moving healthily. You can see there's no healthy movement right here. So at least let's see how Bitcoin goes. But you guys have seen my opinion on gold. So that's it for the new week. Let me go back to gold. So that's it for the new week, and this is gold, the 4-hour time frame as well. Even on the 4-hour time frame, gold can still perform magic, can still shoot down or shoot up. So as like I've explained, because this high as well is a strong high. So let's watch gold around here. Once the thing touches this line and then maybe sweep this wick that is there. This wick is a liquidity. Once gold sweep that liquidity, and then we'll see if we get a confirmation. I'll still post on the group any trade I take on gold. I'll still post on the group and let's see how it goes. But this move is looking strong. This move on the 4 hours, this bullish move is looking very strong. But let's see how far it goes, because this new week can start with a massive pullback. And if gold should respect these sales around here, bro, it's going to be crazy. That's coming all the way down around this point or this point. This is where I'm coming. So let's see how it goes, guys.